Hi, and welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. Are you thinking about launching an adaptive equipment services in Vermont? Learn everything you need to know in this video. In Vermont, adaptive equipment services are about more than just tools. They are lifelines for independence. You'll be providing, customizing, and maintaining essential devices like wheelchairs, communication aids, and home modifications that help Vermonters with disabilities navigate their daily lives with confidence. Step 1. Business and technical setup. Start by registering your business and obtaining a Type 2 NPI. Because this is a technical field, you'll need strong vendor partnerships for equipment and, ideally, a collaboration with licensed OTs or PTs who can perform the clinical evaluations required for Medicaid approval. Step 2. Enrollment and training. Next, apply to contract with a regional designated agency. DA. Vermont is decentralized, so these agencies coordinate the equipment needs for waiver participants. You must also enroll in the Medicaid Prison Portal and draft a policy manual that covers equipment safety, delivery, and warranties. Step 3. Operations and individual plans. Your daily operations involve procuring and installing devices based on the Individual Support Plan, ISP. Always document medical necessity and keep detailed maintenance logs. Every piece of equipment must be a perfect match for the participant's functional goals and safety requirements. Launching an equipment agency involves heavy technical and state paperwork. Waiver Consulting Group takes the burden off your team by handling your DA enrollment, drafting your specialized policy manuals, and providing the delivery tracking tools you need to succeed. We handle the regulations so you can focus on the innovation. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to start your agency.